Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make an animation with cloth. First, we create a cube, then a cloth. Click on the cloth, lift it and enlarge it. Set it in the cloth parameters. Click on the cube and select collision. Then we adjust the cloth, make a larger geometry. We look for the self collisions section and set the quality to 10. Run it. And here's what we got. You can set a larger geometry for better animation. Hey, you know how to do it. I hope you liked it. If so, support me with a like. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.